Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to prove about this one. So we have the formula in here. That is about a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3. So we have like this. So in this one, we need to transform this one into this one. So we have like this. So in this one, we need to simplify sin x minus cosine x on numerator and denominator. So we have this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. So this one plus this one, we have number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.